The carbon cycle is a cycle in which carbon is released into the atmosphere by decaying plants, animals, volcanoes, and the surface of the sea, and leaves the atmosphere when absorbed by plants for photosynthesis, get absorbed back into the ocean, or get stored in soil or sediment. Before that carbon leaves the atmosphere, the carbon dioxide traps heat from the sun in a blanket around the Earth, making the heat unable to escape, therefore making the Earth warm and habitable. This is called the greenhouse effect, and why carbon dioxide is considered a greenhouse gas. Every day, humans produce tons of greenhouse gases, for example, by using long-distance shipping for lowered production costs, using inefficient ways to cool and heat their homes and offices, and using cars that work with fossil fuels. The way that this is done is by digging up the remains of long-dead plants and animals, and using the carbon they store as energy. This source of energy was a very useful one for developing civilization, but has drastic effects on the climate over time. The production of greenhouse gases by humans is the main reason the climate is getting warmer. The release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere by humans is disrupting the carbon cycle by adding excess carbon that cannot be removed from the surface regularly. Additionally, human deforestation is leaving less plants around to absorb the carbon dioxide, further worsening the issue. This causes the Earth to heat up, causing global warming and climate change. The excess heat in the atmosphere causes the polar ice caps to melt, which severely increases the world's sea level. The melting of the ice caps also means that much less sunlight is reflected by them, and instead absorbed into the ocean. This makes the oceans warmer faster, causing the polar ice caps to melt faster, and that in turn makes the sea levels rise faster. Additionally, the high temperatures cause the sea levels to rise even higher due to thermal expansion, the process in which matter increases in volume when heated due to the particles moving more and expanding.